Ghetto Exodus. I'm passionate about my ebook series, which shares the struggles and solutions of growing up in the ghetto. My books, the Cape Flats Memoir and Beacon of Hope in the Cape Flats, aren't just about problems. They're about finding a way out of the darkness and into the light. Instead of fighting fire with fire, I say, let's use water to put out the flames. I've shared my own story in the Cape Flats Memoir about what drew me to the streets and what kept me there and what finally made me leave. This isn't just about me, it's about our communities, our youth, and our future. We've got to take responsibility for our own lives and take action. That's why I wrote these books and why I'm speaking out to inspire change and motivate action. So, what will you do? You can support the Ghetto Exodus series, share this message, and join the movement. You can be part of something bigger than yourself and help create a better future for our communities and youth. The choice is yours. Will you join me on the journey? Will you help me create a better world? Let's take action together.